This is the name of the field that the C# compiled. Or the C# compiled. That's probably the stupidest sentence I've said all class. This is the field that the C# compiler generated for us. It did it magically. It's not accessible. In fact, look at the name of the field that the C# compiler made. Notice how it has those brackets. That actually is something that's called an unspeakable name. Whenever the C# compiler generates something for us, it usually makes it unspeakable. Unspeakable means that it's impossible for C# code to reference it. So there is absolutely no way to directly reference this backing field, ever. Because this is a valid name in the CLR, but it's not a valid name in C#. So there's no way for my code to ever possibly conflict with it. That's why it's named that way. But again, this is what the C# compiler magically created for us because we made this decimal. Now, if I went ahead and I turned name into an automatic property and compiled and ran this little bit of code again, now see how we have two backing fields that were generated for us by the compiler. I know they might seem a little bit silly to use. They might seem like, why would you do this instead of making a public field? There is a documented argument to always use properties. I'm not going to get into it yet right now, though. You can look it up online.